In this video, we listed the top 5 best selfie stick tripod that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TONEOF CX609 Selfie Stick Tripod. The TONEOF CX609 Selfie Stick Tripod is a versatile all-in-one smartphone accessory designed for content creators, vloggers, travelers, and everyday photography enthusiasts. Featuring a durable aluminum and plastic construction, it extends from a compact 11 inches to an impressive 68 inches, making it ideal for selfies, group photos, video recording, live streaming, and video calls. Its foldable, lightweight design, only 320 grams, ensures easy portability, while the adjustable head allows you to capture the perfect angle every time. The included wireless remote lets you take photos and videos hands-free from a distance, and the built-in charging cable and metal ring add extra convenience. Compatible with most smartphones, the TONEOF CX609 delivers stable support for MP4 video recording and everyday mobile photography, with an outstanding 5-star rating from over 20,000 Amazon customers. A. Hasshone, bestseller in cell phone photo and video kits, and a 12-month warranty. It offers exceptional value for anyone looking to enhance their mobile photography and videography experience. Number 2. Liphisy PT1 Tripod. The Liphisy PT1 Tripod is a lightweight and versatile tripod designed for smartphones and cameras, making it an excellent choice for photography, vlogging, live streaming, video calls, and travel. Built with a durable combination of aluminum and plastic, it extends from a compact 9 inches to a maximum height of 50 inches, providing flexible shooting angles for both indoor and outdoor use. Weighing only 8 ounces, it is highly portable and easy to carry wherever you go. The tripod features a smooth pan head for precise angle adjustments and includes a wireless remote control for convenient hands-free photo and video capture. Compatible with Android phones, iPhones, and cameras, it supports 1080p MP4 video recording and offers reliable stability for content creation. With a 5-star rating from over 6,800 Amazon customers and the Hasshone bestseller in tabletop and travel tripods, the Liphisy PT1 delivers impressive performance, portability, and value for creators of all skill levels. Number 3. Liphisy LPS163 Tripod. The Liphisy LPS163 Tripod is a professional-grade, height-adjustable tripod designed for photographers, vloggers, and content creators who need reliable stability and versatility. Constructed from premium aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it offers exceptional durability while remaining lightweight at just 0.73 kilograms. The tripod extends up to 64 inches, 162 centimeters, and folds down to a compact 17.72 inches, making it easy to carry for travel and outdoor photography. Its 360 degrees ball head provides smooth multi-angle adjustments for capturing photos and videos from virtually any perspective, while the included wireless remote enables convenient hands-free shooting. Compatible with Android phones, iPhones, and cameras, the LPS163 supports 1080p video recording in MP4 AVI and MOV formats, making it ideal for vlogging, live streaming, video calls, and professional photography. With an impressive 6-star rating from over 6,400 Amazon customers and the HHON bestseller in complete tripod units, the Liphisy LPS163 delivers outstanding performance, portability, and value for creators of all experience levels. Number 4. TONEOF CX609 Selfie Stick Tripod. The TONEOF CX609 Selfie Stick Tripod is a premium all-in-one smartphone accessory designed for photography, vlogging, live streaming, video calls, and travel. Made from durable aluminum and plastic, it combines strength with a lightweight design, weighing only 320 g for easy portability. The tripod extends from 27.9 centimeters, 11 inches, to an impressive 173 centimeters, 68 inches, providing the perfect height for selfies, group photos, and creative video angles. Its telescopic design, adjustable head, and 3-section legs ensure stable support and flexible positioning, while the included wireless remote allows convenient hands-free photo and video capture. Compatible with most smartphones, the CX609 supports 1080p video recording and is ideal for creating high-quality content on the go. The package also includes a charging cable, metal ring, remote, and selfie stick, offering everything you need in one kit. Backed by a 12-month warranty, a 4-5-star rating from over 20,000 Amazon customers, and ranked Has-Hone in cell phone photo and video kits, the TONEOF CX609 delivers excellent performance, convenience, and value for mobile content creators. Number 5. SelfieShow Q16SS Selfie Stick Tripod. The SelfieShow Q16SS Selfie Stick Tripod is a lightweight and versatile smartphone accessory designed for selfies, vlogging, live streaming, video calls, and travel photography. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it weighs just 180 g, making it easy to carry wherever you go. The tripod extends from a compact 33.3 cm 13 inches to an impressive 163.5 cm 70.86 inches, allowing you to capture everything from close-up selfies to wide group shots. Featuring an 8-section telescopic design and a 360 degrees ball head, it offers flexible angle adjustments for both portrait and landscape shooting. Compatible with a wide range of iPhone and Samsung Galaxy devices including the iPhone 11 series, iPhone 10, 10s, 10R, and Galaxy S8, S9, and S10, it provides stable support for everyday content creation. With a maximum weight capacity of 393 g, a compact foldable design, and a 1-year warranty, the SelfieShow Q16SS is built for convenience and reliability. Earning an impressive 4-6-star rating from over 12,000 Amazon customers and ranking among the top 10 cell phone tripods, it offers excellent value for mobile photographers and content creators.